The content of this meeting is being sent to third party. Hello? Right. Is it clear? Voice audible to you? Anyone please respond. Voice is clear or not?
Hello, sir. Okay, clear, sir.
Right, right.
You can continue, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in second semester, right, in second semester mainly we discussed about the bryophyta, pteridophyta and gymnosperms. Then what are bryophytes? First of all, what are algal member? You must have learnt in previous year. In previous year, as I told you, must have learnt about the virus and bacteria, fungi, and algal member. So, first of all, what are algae? The algae is autotrophic, gametophytic, simple plants, spore producing simple plants. They are called algal member. In second semester, bryophytes first, then next pteridophyta, and evolution process gymnosperms. So how can define the bryophytes? Just compare with algae, because here the bryophytes are evolved from the algal members. That's why the similarity, there is a similarity between algae and bryophyta. The similarities are the both are plants. That means the first in definition, first word autotrophic, algae autotrophic, bryophytes also autotrophic, and second point also, second aspect also somewhat same, that is thallophytic, algal member thallophytic, and the primitive bryophytes also thallophytic but not advanced. Advanced some more complex, and the both are in ending the life cycle, the both are producing the spore producing. So what is the new character here in bryophyta? The new character is first time embryophytes, embryo produced. First time embryo produced. Let me give the small clarification here. The whiteboard. Don't show again. Use whiteboard classic. Right. So here the small one. First of all, let me take pen. Algae, bryophyta. So first of all, these are autotrophic, sporophytic, gametophytic. This is gametophytic plant body and this is also gametophytic plant body. So this gametophytic plant body shows the thallophytic nature. What is thallophytic nature? Thallus-like plant. Thallus-like plant means whenever you see your surroundings, if you observe the plants, you can identify the root system and shoot and leaf, even flower and fruits also. But in algal member, you cannot find out the root system, shoot system, leaf system separately. They are formed a combined mass appearance. So best example in our local language called Nachu Pakru algae. Can you find out root and shoot and leaf to the algal member Nachu and or Pakuru in our local language? We cannot find out. So the type of condition called as thallophytic. The thallophytic stage, mainly this is gametophytic. It is applied in nature. Same in bryophyte also, same gametophytic, applied in nature. Same applied in nature, right? So later, on the plant body, sex organs developed both in algae, in algae, in algae and bryophyta. In algae and bryophyta, both sex organs develop. The sex organs are this is male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Here also say male gametophyte and female gametophyte. From male gametophyte, gametangia, male gametes are released. Here also say male gametes are released. The same here also male gamete, female gametes. But in algae, both male and female gamete fused. What happened? Zygote formed. Here same zygote developed after fusion of male and female. But what happened? In algal member, the zygote directly after meiosis, spore producing these spores, just wait. Spores developed into gametophyte. But what happened in bryophyta? This zygote, instead of directly spores, first embryo developed. Embryo. This embryo developed into sporophyte. Then spores are released. Of course, here also ending spores are released. But in algal member, from after formation of zygote, this zygote immediately undergoes to meiotic division. Then only the spores produced. And the spores again developed into gametophytic thallophyte. But in bryophyta, what happened in bryophyta? The same similarity up to formation of zygote, up to formation of course, there are some difference between the structure and formation of sex organs. Structure and formation of sex organ different in algal member, different in bryophyta. But the process same. The process means production same and fission fertilization same. But after fertilization, zygote forms until zygote formation similar. But what happened in algal member after zygote formation directly produce the spores. In bryophyta, the zygote undergoes to mitotic division and developed as a embryo. This embryo again developed into a sporophyte. After formation sporophyte, the spores produced in sporophyte, these spore developed as a thallophytic gametophyte. So this is some small difference between algae and bryophyta. Now enter into the algae general character. Just wait. Algae general character. Sorry, bryophyta general character. No need now the algae general character. That is previous year, previous semester. But if you know the algae general character, it would be easy to you. Right. Uh, 1 minute. Share. Just 1 minute. Where this file, Phyta, general characters. 1 minute. Where it is, where it is. What happened here? Correct? Those PPT visible to you? Hello?
No, sir.
No, just wait. Open with other app. Now visible? Hello?
No, sir. Still can't visible.
No. What happened here? It could be.
Visible, sir, now.
No visible, but I think
Yes, sir.
there
Yes,
no
sir. Yes, sir.
images. I think.
No images, sir. Only the file name it is showing.
Okay, okay.
PDFX. So,
Why it is like this? It could be. Okay, no problem. Uh, So anyway, I will share later. So bryophyta general character first. This is very, very important. Uh, if you understand about general character, you can easily understand the entire type study. That means whatever present in. Um, my voice is clear. Hello.
Sir, clear, sir. You can tell.
Right. So whatever comes under the bryophyta category, for example, Markansia, Anthocyrus, and Polytrichum or Funaria, they are the type studies of bryophyte. So they can easily understand. If you understand about the bryophyta general character, rest of the all you can easily understand. That means rest of the all means Markansia, Anthocyrus, and Funaria. Right. Now, what to write? Now visible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Right.
General characters.
Right. General character.
Yes.
So first already you know the bryophyta definition. First of all, you write in your examination, you write the definition of bryophyta in general character, whatever it may be, general character or any other question. First you write the definition. So definition here the simple autotrophic thallophytic, thallophytic, first embryophytic. This is important. First embryophytic, simple plants, simple spore producing plants are called bryophytes. So that is the definition. So when compared with algae, just only one word add, that is the embryophytic. So the word bryophyte is the collective term for mosses and hornworts and liverworts. So that means they are the synonyms. The based on the structure, the bryophyta, the given like liverworts, for just now I mentioned the type studies names such as Markansia. So Markansia, here another name liverwort. Hanthosiras, another name hornwort. Mosses, another name Funaria. So these are the mostly they based on the gametophytic structure, they gave the names as the liverwort, hornworts, and mosses. This is a simple brave Markansia and Anthocyrus and Funaria. So the bryology is the study of bryophyte. Already told you it includes the simplest and most primitive land plants. And plants lack true vascular system. These are called non-vascular plants. There is no vascular system. No vascular system. No vascular system. That means no conducting tissue. Why it is not developed conductive tissue in bryophytes and algal member? So what is, first of all, what is vascular? First vascular plants in plant kingdom. Hello? First vascular plants in plant kingdom. Pteridophyta. Pteridophytes are the first vascular plants. Until pteridophyte, there is no vascular system. So you know already the vascular system function, conduction, transport of water and food material. But these two, this vascular system not developed in algae and bryophyta. Why it is not developed in primitive plants like algae and bryophyta? Why it is first starting development in from pteridophyta to all. That means pteridophyta, gymnosperms, angiosperms, it consisting. Why it is not developed? Can you guess? Hello? Are you there? So basically, the plants of algae and bryophyte, they are completely or incompletely, partially presented in the surrounding water and in water. And they are the simple plant. The no shoot system and leaf system. That's why as they partially or completely inside the water and water surroundings, each and every part can absorb the water. Each and every part can prepare the food material. That's why no need to transport the water and food. That's why not developed any vascular system like xylem and phloem inside the plant. And these are the terrestrial but need water for complete life cycle. And this is called as amphibians of plant kingdom. This is important. The bryophyte are called amphibians. What is meaning of amphibian? Hello? Amphi means both. Amphibian. The requirement two types of habitat. For example, frog,
Yeah. Which can live in water and as well as surface land
land.
also.
Right.
Okay.
Here also bryophyte for growing land requirement, but fertilization water requirement. For fertilization, that means the fusion of male and female gamete. For fertilization, it should require the water. But after fertilization, after formation zygote, after production of spores, they can germinate in moisture shady places on land. But the moisture important. So that's why it's called considered as a amphibians of plant kingdom. As I told, mostly they can grow shady and damp places. So this is the small brief introduction. Now the general character. First of all, in general character, the start with habitat, already habitat completed, and structure of the body. Structure of the body. Body called as gametophyte. Gametophytic plant body. This is the gametophyte and it is applied in nature. Here given gametophytic plant body inside the bracket N. But instead, of course, it is also right. Instead of that, instead of N, the mention as X. Let me take pen. X here. Let's change color. X. Of course, N also right for applied, but N mostly uh, for reproductive cells and reproductive, but not vegetative. With vegetative, better to give the X. And this is the thalloid. Already told you what is thallus, and also this is thalloid plant body. That means not differentiated. Root, stem, and leaves or leafy shoot are present. Plants are green in color like the normal plants, and it consisting the chloroplast also because as it is a autotrophic. Roots are absent here. So the main plant body called as gametophyte, like a plant. So what are consisting the plant? What are appear in plant? Plant root system, stem, root, root and stem and leaf. But as a thallophyte, no root system, but the roots replaced by rhizides, unicell or multicell rhizides, unicell multicell rhizides, and rest of the thallus-like part. That means the only rhizide, just the finger-like projections appear from the lower side of the gametophyte. That means ventral side of the gametophyte, it act as a root in well-developed plant root, like a advanced plant's roots. The function is the same. The function structurally different, but function same. The functions fixation and absorption, fixation, absorption of water and minerals. So these are the analogous to the well-developed plants root, well-developed plants root system, right? And the another one, just wait. Next one. Right. No, not reflection. Just wait. So first gametophytic structure clear? Hello?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. So in gametophytic, we are in root. That means root called as root
Rhizoids.
just right
Right.
rhizoids. And let me take pictures. Right. So this is the given the gametophytic structure of Bryophyta. Is it visible to you?
Uh, Visible, sir.
Gametophytic structure, right?
Hmm.
So as I told, this is the if you take any year given three, first of all, this is the liverworts. Let me take pen. So these are the liverworts. That means you can see the liver like structure. That's why it's called as liverworts. And the plant body. This is the gametophytic plant body. The gametophytic plant body, dorsal and ventral, prostate and dorsal ventral, right? And from the ventral side, rhizoids like this rhizoids are present. A ventral side green appearance we can see, and apart from the green green structure, green color, and some of the projections also appear like this, like a small trees on the dorsal side, right? Are you see this? Are you seeing? Hello, from the
Yes,
dorsal
sir.
side,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
right?
can continue.
So these are the reproductive parts. These are the reproductive parts. So this is, for example, in liverworts appear like this. And if you take another plants, this moss plants like this, moss plants, it look like a small miniature plant. Look like a miniature plant. It is not as dorsal and ventral. It is erect like this, and from the right side present at the lower side like this. On the this is the axis. On the axis. Let me change color. On the axis, leaves also present like this. But it is not prostate. This is erect. So this is advanced bryophytes. For example, polytrichum. Advanced bryophyte. For example, polytrichum. You can see here also same like this. Advanced character like this. So in liverworts, Anthoceras also liverworts, and the Anthoceras character also same like a Markantia. I will explain later with differences, key differences between Markantia and Anthoceras in next class. So just now completed the only the general characters of the bryophyta, right? So this is the gametophytic structure. Any doubt in gametophytic structure? Hello? In majorly only in gametophytic structure, in primitive dorsiventral and prostate nature, ventral side rhizoids. But in advanced, it is not a prostate one, dorsiventral, and clearly like a miniature plant and erect nature, and from the basal part, rhizoids are present. That's it. And so the internal part's not important here. And apart from that, this after vegetative body, as I told, on the body and the vegetative structure, reproductive structures also develop, right? So here the reproductive parts are the reproductive parts name common. Name common any bryophytic type study, whether it is Markantia, Anthoceras, and Fineria, the common. So the name of the reproductive part here, the male one called as male gametangium, or antheridium. Remember it, male gametangium or antheridium. Just take care. Here male gametangium symbol here, female gametangium symbol, or oogonium, or it is called oogonium. This is antheridium or male gametangium. So after formation, male gametangium and female gametangium. From the male gametangium, male gametes are developed, male gametes, and like that, female gametangium from the female gametes develop from the female gametangia or archegonia. Here the male reproductive organs are antheridia, as I told, antheridia. Whatever it may be, here given first of all male gametes which are produced in antheridia. I start my class. That means the reproduction process, the reproductive organs are antheridia or male gametangium, oogonia or archegonia, female gametangium, right? So here antheridia, male gametangium, female gametangium. Here the female are archegonia. You can see here archegonia, male and female. You can see here in diagram here in circle. Are you able to see the circle? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good.
Right. So these are the antheridium, archegonium. So these structures, antheridium, archegonium. And I already told you the formation different. Reproductive structure same. You can take any bryophyta structure. The reproductive parts are same, antheridia or male gametangium. Uh, Archegonia or female gametangium. But the formation, position, different, two different type study. Markantia appearance different and Anthocera different and Puneri also different. We will discuss in detail later when we enter into the type study. So anyway, is it clear? Male gametangium, female gametangium, which
Sir,
produce the
Harsh, sir,
both gametes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Uh,
Here in liver, what the female and male organs are visible, sir, but in mosses it is not visible, sir. So,
Actually, the masses, the specialized branch are there. Actually, this is the diagram very small. In
okay,
detail,
okay,
I will explain clearly when we enter into the type study. In clearly
okay,
with the
okay,
diagram. Actually, this is the only the concept. We
okay,
not entered in detail. The only the concept of bryophyta, what is what, that's it.
okay,
When we enter into the type study, Markantia, I will clearly explain about Markantia reproductive structure, Anthocera's reproductive structure, and Funaria. And also the
okay,
comparison also with diagrammatically comparison.
okay, okay,
Diagrammatical comparison. But today only you remember the basic of general characters. Okay?
okay, sir.
Right. So anyway, so remember one thing, male gametangium, antheridium, which produce male gamete, female gametangium, archegonium, which produces female gamete. After released this, both are fertilization, and this fertilization type is oogamous type here given, oogamous. Actually, the sexual reproduction, three types. One is isogamy, second is anisogamy, third one is oogamy. Isogamy means iso means similar. That means after production of gametes, male and female, the both are structurally similar. They can fuse each other as a result formation of zygote. That is isogamy. The mostly found in algal member. And anisogamy, as the name given, aniso means unequal. Male small, female large, then fertilization. This type called anisogamy. In oogamy means same from antheridia, male gamete released out, but female gamete not released out, which is produced inside the, let me take the white page, just wait. For example, this is antheridia structure. This never changed. Always antheridia club shaped. Remember it. Always club shaped. Let's change color. Archegonia flask shaped. Stalk, venter, neck, lid cells. Like this. So inside the venter canal cell and large egg also present. Remember. And these are the neck canal cells. This is the structure, neck canal cells. Neck cells surrounded by neck. Right. So these are the uh, androgonial cells, and from these cell oblique division and developed into each cell developed two male gametes or anthrozoids, two male gametes. So these male gametes are spiral shaped with biflagellated like this, right? So this structure, antheridia structure, Similar in Markansia, in Anthocyrus, Funaria, you can take any type studies, never change. The similar means first point Anthridia club shaped. It has two body parts, multicell stalk and body. This is stalk and multicell body. The body covered with sterile jacket layer like this. And inside the antheridial ball, first androgonial developed into androcyte mother cells and androcyte finally developed as a male gametes. Just listen, I will explain clearly later. So anyway, from the antheridia, blue color antheridia are male gametes. These male gametes are released out. Meantime, what happened? Uh, before fertilization, this venter canal cells, blue color line. Are you seeing this blue color? Observing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Neck canal cells dissolved. Venter canal cells also dissolved. And the chemical form a chemical substances push the lid cells. As a result, lid opened. After lid opened, this spiral shaped female gamete enter into the female gametophyte or archegonium. But which is moving? Male gamete or female gamete? Hello?
Male gamete is moving.
Only male gamete moving
Yes,
through
sir.
the water and reach the egg or female gamete. Reach the egg or female gamete. This is the egg or female gamete. But it is existed inside the venter. So this type called as Hugamas method. But in the algal member, what happened? Algal, for example, this is antheridium, this is oogonium. From the antheridium, male gamete, female gamete. The both are released out. Both are fused. If the same, that is called isogamy. But the small and this is large and again fused. That is called anisogamy. But in oogamy, the same male gamete released, but female gamete not released. Female gamete or egg both are same. They are existed inside the venter. This part is called venter. This part is called stalk, neck. Right? This is the parts also important. Okay, or please remember this. If you understand the structure, you can understand the Markansia and Anthocyrus and Funaria, everything. So please develop the concept, right? So clear? Is this clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. So then what happened after fertilization? That means in Oogamas method, male gamete fused with female gamete. Then what happened later? What happened after fertilization? What happened? Hello? After fertilization, what happened here?
It enters into female gamete and uh, the parts which are present inside the neck are dissolved. And then
Okay,
it
right.
is
That means not during, after fertilization. After fertilization
yes.
means after male gamete fused with female gamete. Here already fused here, both fused. Now after male
No, sprouts are produced.
fused with female now developed into zygote,
Yes, sir.
diploid zygote. This is applied in nature. This is also applied in nature. Later diploid zygote, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now after formation diploid zygote, this zygote undergoes to mitoid division and again developed into embryo. Embryo like this. This is embryo. Now where is embryo? Hello? Where is embryo? Hello?
In female land.
Right. In venter. That means in archegonium or in venter, right?
Vendor. Yes.
Later, this embryo, after formation embryo, this embryo further developed into sporophyte. Sporophyte. I will explain clearly about sporophyte structure, remember, later. This sporophyte finally produce the spores by meiosis division. Meiosis means, what is different between mitosis and meiosis? Mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, after division, no decrease, no increase of chromosome number. But in meiosis, decrease of. That means here the I already told you the zygote diploid state, embryo also diploid, sporophyte also diploid to N. But after meiosis, it becomes off, haploid. Now this haploid spores again developed into gametophyte, gametophyte body. After formation gametophyte body and gametophytic thallus, male gametangia antheridia formed, female gametangia archegonia formed. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Right. Don't get confused in this cycle. If you develop the concept about the cycle, I need not to explain about Markansia, need not to explain about Anthosiras, need not to explain about Funaria. This is the basic. If you clearly understand about this, you can understand yourself by Markansia, Anthosiras, and Funaria. Right? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. So remember the some words. This sporophyte structure different. This is important. Okay, I will explain the Markansia sporophyte Anthosiras with differentiation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir, no.
Right. So next one, the classification. Classification also important for short answer. Uh, Classification, the clearly before the classification, let's see the general life cycle. The clear general life cycle here. You can see. First of all, let me take pen. For example, this is first we start the class from gametophytic structure. This is advanced bryophyta, so gametophyte erect nature. These are the rhizoids, and this is leafy structure. You can see the leaf-like structures here. So after that, the sporophyte developed on the gametophyte. So I will explain. I will explain later. So after formation sporophyte, from the sporophyte, spores released. The spores again developed into gametophyte, like here. Gametophyte, right? So this is gametophytic plant body, and the gametophytic plant body clearly giving the sex organs here, yellow color and pink color. Yellow color a male one, pink one is a female one. So this is clusters of male antheridia. I will clearly give the one antheridia structure, club shaped, but you are given as a group. Don't get confused. And there the group of flask shaped archegonia, like this. Oh, this is the antheridium. This is the archegonium. Spermo or male gamete in this. Later, embryo developed. After embryo developed, this embryo developed into sporophyte. Developed into sporophyte. So gametophyte never change. This is the gametophyte. This is only first of all here see gametophyte with sex organs. But after fertilization, what happened? Instead of sex organs, especially female. In female, sex organ replaced by hello, hello, hello.
Sir, talk. Yes, sir. Is audible.
Yes, a female sex organ after fertilization. That means this pink color, especially this pink color means female. The female replaced by. So what is the female first female? Which part that whether it is antheridium or archegonium? Pink color. See the symbol. This pink color, this one, man. See symbol, this one. Male or female? Hello?
Female, sir.
Right, female.
Female, sir.
Female. In female archegonium, egg present.
Archegonium, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. After fertilization, the egg zygote embryo. Embryo sporophyte.
Yes.
Now, where is sporophyte? First of all, where is embryo development?
In Archegonium.
Right, in archegonium, especially in archegonium venter.
Yes, sir.
Later, this embryo developed into sporophyte. Now, where is sporophyte?
In which the spores are present, sir.
No, my question is, where is sporophyte after development? For example, if you take gametophytic plant body attached to the soil, land, moisture soil.
Yes.
So another stage in
Yes.
plants, sporophytic. The sporophytic stage, where is sporophytic stage?
Maybe it could be in the roots of the spore.
First of all, where are the female gametophyte?
In Archegonium, sir.
Right. So
Yes, sir.
archegonium. So
Yes.
archegonium, after fertilization, after formation zygote, embryo, this archegonium replaced by sporophyte. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sporophyte. Now, that means the sporophyte present on gametophyte. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir.
After formation sporophyte, spore released, the spores developed into again gametophyte. This is the cycle. This is the cycle. And just simply one thing. Let me give 2 minutes. Classification. Here classification. Classification Bryophyta clearly Hepatic Apsida, Anthoceratopsida, and Bryopsida. Actually, three classes here given. Just to explain. Classification. Groups. Bryopsida or masses. So anyway, so actually three classes mainly in Bryophyta classification. Hepatic Apsida 1, Hepatic Apsida, Hepatic Apsida. After that, Anthoceratopsida. After that, Bryopsida. So these three classes. In first class, Hepatic Apsida, this is called liverwort. It's called liverwort, and it has the four classes of Hepatic Apsida: Colubrials, Jungermanials, Marcanseals. So these are the four classes which are present inside the Hepatic Apsida. So Hepatic Apsida is simple. The best example, Marcantia. One example enough, right? And second one, Anthoceratopsida. Anthoceratops only one example, Anthoceras. And well-developed class is Bryopsida, which is included the masses like Anthoceras, Sphagnum, Funaria. So they are all present inside the Bryopsida classes. So anyway, in Bryophyta classification, first three classes, so three divisions: Hepatic Apsida, Anthoceratopsida, and Bryopsida. And actually, these are not classes, orders. else. These are the uh, each class or division have the four orders. So in the four orders, for example, this hepatic capsid have four orders like this. Anthocyrtopsil, I think only Anthocyrtales one order, I think. We will see in book. And again, like that, Bryopsida also four orders there. So anyway, we will discuss later about the classification and type studies, Markansia, Anthocyrus and Funeri. Right? Any doubt today class? Hello?
No doubt, sir.
Right. We will meet next class. And I will cover the remaining two classes also. You don't worry. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Thank you all.
Hello, bro. Hello. Hello.